Hey, what's up, guys? So I traded a number of different stocks today. Not really proud of my trades because I lost some discipline near the end. So it's this stock APHA that I wasn't really happy with what I did. So let's see here. So initially I went short on the way down. I covered. The reason I went short is I saw that the stock was pretty weak. This looks like just a rebound back to VWAP. Now that I made it back to VWAP, it's probably going to dump. So that's exactly what it did. I covered, and then when it hit the bottom here, which corresponded to getting close to a level which is down here 2064, I bought some. It popped. I got out. It didn't really it started to consolidate here. So anytime that happens, I just get out. I didn't really follow my rule when doing that here. So I added, it popped. I should have gotten all out. Instead, I just got out some. When it came down here, I should have got out even more. Instead, I added back to my position, and then I kept adding on the way down, which is okay because those were my original levels from before, if you recall. Um, but I wasn't really happy with the way I did it because these ones I shouldn't have added. This is okay. This is okay because it double bottom out. But yeah, overall I wasn't too happy. But I did get out at a small loss here, so very fortunate of that. But it is kind of safe because down here it was another level. So I basically added at different key levels. So I wasn't happy, but it wasn't too bad. So overall, I made slight profit on that. BILI, I like my execution much better. So for BILI, I thought I was gonna. So I missed the bounce here, but I decided to take it on a short side because there's a daily level here. It popped through that daily level, so I just got out quickly, and that was a good thing because, as you can see, it just had this massive ramp up. At this level, I took it on the short side because on the 60-minute chart, this corresponded to another moving average here. I think that's like the 200-day moving average or something. I took it on the short side, added to it because I took it earlier than when I anticipated, because sometimes it's just an area, it's not exactly at that level. So I took it a bit earlier because it formed like this high of the day here. So I took it there thinking it probably won't make it back up to the top. It did make it to the top, so I added to my position on the drop I covered. Um, Obviously, in retrospect, the stock dropped much more than that, even though it did bounce back to that level. So it is what it is. I'm okay with the way I traded here. So I made money there. A DocuSign, I traded this 2 times. Let's see, right here, I took it on the upside. It kept on dropping. And then at this level, it seemed to have bottomed out. So that's, I think, 12:30, right around here. It looked like it bottomed out. So I took a small size. I set my stop loss down here, went in long. It popped, and then I got out. So that was my trade on DocuSign. And then later on, I did something similar. I went in long. It dropped all the way down. I had a level originally very early in the morning down to 210. By the time it got here and it was consolidating, I knew it was probably not going to make it to 210. So and same with level 2. So I went in long. It popped, and then I got out because this area on level 2 looked like it was struggling. So I just got all out. Now it continued to make higher moves. But yeah, so that is what it is. PTON. So PTON, I took it twice. It dropped, consolidated, went up, dropped again, consolidated. So I took it on the long side. It popped, and I got all out because it's a kind of a weak stock. So also, if you notice here, it's sort of consolidated here, close to this level, so formed like a double top. Got out, tried to do it again, went in long. I set my stop loss down here. Good thing that happened because it did drop all the way down to 106. I'm not sure what level is 106. There's probably no levels here, so I probably won't have taken this. Might have taken it around here. Let's see if I would have. Yeah, maybe, probably around here. I might have went in. Maybe not this candlestick. I would have been watching it to see if it was trying to make a rebound. Probably got in here. it's not, or maybe not. The risk reward wasn't that great. So that's PTON. Snap, I did okay on Snap. Traded this a number of times too, so it looks like a Christmas tree. It dropped, held this level, went in long, it popped. This is my level to get out because it's a previous day level. It got stuck here, so I confirmed my fears. Got out, it popped up, dropped back to basically this level, holding it, went in long. It looked like it dropped below that level, so I got all out because, you know, I was holding this level. I don't want this to collapse on me like what it did here. But then on the way back up, I went back in and then I got out again because this is pretty much the same area where it consolidated before. This time, and after that, it made it drop even lower. It looked like it was coming back up, went in long, popped up, got stuck here, and then it looked like it was getting weak, so I got out. Got back in, popped, got out, and only now is it doing a true reversal. But yeah, so that's Snap, and that's it. Those are my trades for the day. I traded a lot, much more than normal. It's like 56 tickets. So I usually don't do that much, but you know, you get by however you need to. So. Overall, I think my trading day today is just okay. I don't like taking that many tickets. So, all right. Anyway, hope you guys stay green, stay healthy, like and subscribe, and then peace out.